We need this refrigerator removed right here. I'm going to show you the refrigerator that we're needing installing. Okay, here is the refrigerator that needs installed right here. This guy right here. It's a KitchenAid refrigerator, French doors. Okay, there's the refrigerator right there, the full view of it. I am thinking that you want to take this in through the front door. We'll need somebody to take it inside, and you'll probably come around this way. I'm walking it for you just to show you up this pathway right here into the house. The front door right here. Here's the front door. So I don't know if you have to take the doors off or whatever, but then we'll come in this way through the front door right here. Okay. And then come around right here and then place it into this spot right there.